Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to draw and color SpongeBob and Patrick Star. Let's start drawing. First I draw SpongeBob, starting with his big eyes and his nose. Then I draw his mouth and his two teeth like this. I draw a sponge face of him. Draw his hands. I continue with his body. His two legs. His suit. Next to him, I draw his best friend, Patrick Star, starting with Patrick's eyes. And his cute eyebrows. His head. Then I draw his body. He looks so cute with this body. I draw his shorts like this. And his two legs. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use this sky blue marker to paint SpongeBob's eyes. Red. Brown. I color this part yellow. Green. I color Patrick Star's shorts purple and green. Finally, I use this light pink color to paint his skin. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.